Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a turkey coaster, and I used medium worsted yarn. Also, I used an H hook, and for the feet and the beak I used an F hook. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with a magic circle and slip stitch. If this is your first time, the link for the magic circle is down below. Then I'm going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then I'm going to work 11 double crochet in the magic ring. So yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue until you have a total of 12, including the chain 3. Then you're going to pull the ring and slip stitch in the chain 3 to create your ring. So right on top, slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 3 and then work a double crochet in that same stitch, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. So in the next stitch you'll work 2 double crochet, and each stitch gets the increase until you get to the beginning, which will be 24 double crochet. Slip stitch on top of that chain 3, and then chain 3 to count as your first double crochet, and then double crochet in that same stitch, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around again until you get to the beginning. Then you're going to slip stitch in the chain 3 on top, and then this is all complete for your circle for your coaster. If you like to make it bigger, you can add more rounds for increases, or you can have a larger hook. And then you're going to weave in all your ends, and you can pull through and take your yarn needle and weave in all your ends. Now you're going to work your feathers. You can insert your hook anywhere, it doesn't really matter, just any stitch, and then slip stitch into it. You can work a single crochet right from the very beginning. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then in each stitch around you're going to work a single crochet for a total of 19 times, and then you'll turn. This yarn is a multicolor yarn, and it's Impeccable is the name of the yarn. Okay, so you have your 19, and then you're going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in that first slip stitch in that first stitch, and then you're going to 1, 2 skip, and then yarn over, and then work a half or a double crochet 7 times. So that's 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, Skip 2 stitches and then slip stitch. And then skip 2 stitches and then work your double crochet into the next stitch. So work 7 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 and then slip stitch into the next, and then just repeat. Skip 2 and then work your 7 double crochet. Slip stitch in that last stitch, and then your feathers are complete. So yarn over, pull through, and then weave in all your ends for your feathers. So for the head, skip 2 stitches and then slip stitch in your brown yarn. Single crochet and then single crochet in the next 3. So 2, 3, and 4. And then chain 1 and turn. And then work 1, and then 2, 3, and 4, and then chain 1 and turn. Okay, and then you're going to work 2 single crochet in the same stitch. That's an increase. Then single crochet in the next 2. And then 2 single crochet at the last one. And then chain 1 and turn. And then single crochet in all the stitches across until you get to the end. And then chain 1 and turn. And then 2 single crochet together. So go into the next stitch and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, single crochet in the next 2, and then 2 single crochet decrease. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's a single crochet, 2 together. Chain 1 and then 2 double crochet, single crochet together, 2 single crochet together to complete. If this is too fast, you can place your video in slow motion. And then pull through, and then you'll weave in your ends for the head with your yarn needle. Take your yarn needle, weave in your ends in the back to secure them about 3 to 4 different times. Now for the beak, take your yarn, pull it through right towards the center on the front side. You want your beak to be on the opposite side of the feathers, and then pull your yarn through, then single crochet. This was with an F hook. Single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, turn, single crochet in the next 2 stitches together, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That was a 2 single crochet together, yarn over, pull through. Then you can weave in your ends. Your beak is complete. Okay, so weave your ends in the back so you can disguise them and secure your ends. Now for the wattle, go right into the beak underneath and place your red yarn through. Go to the next stitch into the beak underneath, and then yarn over and pull through, and then chain 2. It's going to look like that. So you're going to pull through, and then you can weave in those ends. Flip it over and go 4 spaces over, and then slip knot onto your hook, 4 stitches over, and then slip stitch into that stitch. And then chain 4, and then 3 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then slip stitch into the next 2 chains, and this is with an F hook, and it's 4 stitches over from the feathers. Slip stitch into the same stitch and then fasten off, pull through. Slip stitch right next to it, and then chain 4 for the next foot. And then work 3 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch in that same stitch. Okay, I did single crochet there, but it was supposed to be slip stitches. Then pull through, and then you can weave in your ends. So this is what the turkey coaster looks like. I hope you enjoyed. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.